All right, this is Buckos GED practice test 1, question number 49. It has to do with slope and intercept. Well, not so much intercept, but slope and the equation of a line. Which of the following represents the equation of a line that is parallel to the line represented by the equation y equals negative 4x plus 1? I'm going to give you a chance to write it down and solve it on your own. See if you know what to do. Is that good enough?
Yep.
All right, in that slope-intercept form, which we talked about before, the thing that I would hope you would try to remember is that y equals mx plus b. Well, this is the y-intercept, which we don't really care that much about on this one. And this, my friend, is the slope of the line. And remember we talked about slope being 0 when it's going straight across, this being the line, this the y-axis, the x-axis, and this is the slope. Remember, this is no slope, this is infinite slope, this is negative slope, and that's positive slope. So if this line is slanted this way, it's got a negative slope on it. And that would match this negative sign right here on that 4. Now for a line to be parallel lines are like railroad tracks. They just go on forever and they never get closer and never get further apart. They're exactly evenly spaced. So that means the slope has to be exactly the same. Because if it was different at all, this line would cross right here, let's say, or somewhere else, but it would cross eventually if they're not exactly the same slope. So a parallel line would be like this right here. Kind of, right? They would never intersect. They would go on forever and be the same distance apart. That means that when you look at this equation and you're trying to find another equation to a line, it would have to have this exact same slope. So on the choices on the test, you would look for a negative 4. And if it's anything other than a negative 4, it will not be parallel.